Our majority leader said we want to get to work despite our schedule. So may I also, I will read first those that are pending, then may I also manifest those have been read, but there might be some changes. So for the Committee on Public Works, Senator Mark Villar. For the Committee on Public Works. For the Committee on Cooperatives, Senator Marcos. For the Committee on Culture and Arts, Senator Legarda. For the Committee on Public Information, Senator Padilla. For the Committee on Sustainable Development Goals, Innovation and Futures Thinking, Senator Pia Cayetano. For the Committee on Tourism, Senator Marcoleta, who is celebrating his birthday today. For the Committee on Civil Service, Government Reorganization and Professional Regulation, Senator Legarda. For the Committee on Cultural Communities and Muslim Affairs, Senator Padilla. Senator Mark Villar will give way to Senator Estrada for the Committee on Financial Institution and Currency, Banks, Financial Institutions and Currencies. But Senator Mark Villar will be the Senior Vice Chairperson, as I manifest now, and will be the acting chair. Then the Committee on Government, Corporation, and Public Enterprise, Senator Camille Villar. Committee on Sports, Senator Go. Committee on Youth, Senator Go. Unless the majority leader has any comment, I'll ask for which one? Can I ask for a minute suspension?
Session
Which
suspended.
one? Sir President, to make the correction, so Senator Mark Villar will continue to be chairman of the Committee on Banks, Financial Institution, and Currency. Then I withdraw the nomination of Senator Jinggoy for the Committee on Public Works. But we're asking the majority leader for possible committees for Senator Estrada, and maybe we can discuss it on Monday. Yes.
Yes.
If there's no objections, maybe it can be an omnibus motion
Yes.
to elect the following to the
All right.
said
Is there any
chairmanship.
objection? Hearing none, the motion of the the minority leader is hereby approved, subject to the changes he mentioned.
And for the deputy minority leader, Senator Amy Marcos.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, Senator Amy Marcos
So for
is...
the record, we are not anti-Marcos because we're electing Amy as the deputy minority leader.
Senator Amy Marcos is elected as the deputy minority leader.